Mall Millionaire. SCP Containment Breach. Paper Mario, The 1,000-Year Door. Paper Mario, The 1,000-Year Door. Silent Hill 3. Silent Hill 3. Minecraft. Marvel vs. Capcom 3 Fate of Two Worlds. Marvel vs. Capcom 3 Fate of Two Worlds. Batman Arkham Asylum. Eternal Darkness Sanity's Requiem. Eternal Darkness Sanity's Requiem. Metal Gear Solid. Metal Gear Solid.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.